My country people, I greet you now. We don't see the gidigba put on top with government matter. And on top with government matter today, we're going to talk about the roads for we state. We dey gidigba put with engineer AMIOLEMEN Ibrahim, will be the commissioner for infrastructure for we state. Oga, we greet you.
Thank you very much.
My country people know be only me that tanda gidigba put on top this program. I dey with my colleague, we sabi the road matter too for we state.
My other people, I greet you now. My name is Mary Edoleyi. I welcome you come our program.
Commissioner, sir, before we begin enter the program proper, may we look inside the road matter. How far on our ministry don't work out for we state on top roads, the one with the Edo State?
Yeah, we don't do so much. With the knowledge we Govt bring and the wisdom we bring, we divide the states. We get Edo South, we get Edo Central, we get Edo North. And for all of them, we get work where we do for all. And we constantly say, if we do the major roads alone, those ones they consume too much money. Some people will feel say that they do 20 kilometers road with about the small road where they near the road and around. So that are the wisdom where we can do which we call C4 plus. Before now, C4 now waiting what they call the World Bank, they help to fund. For C4 plus now the state money. We say let us also look for small roads in all the 3 senatorial districts. For Bini, for Bobauka, for Esan, for Afre Masai. Let's do as we do the very long road. Let's also do small road where they connect communities. That is one of the reasons why so many people have been so happy. Say, yeah, we don't see road we never see before. People will say there are roads for ages, they never see any road, nobody don't talk to them. We don't use that method to carry road go meet them.
So which short roads now don't do? The names of the roads una don't do?
They are plenty. The last
Give
one
us shekel information about the ones
they pass 100 for the roads we don't do. If you go medical store road, if you go federal, if you go around Oredo here, there are about 30-something roads. Some there around the area, and I may not be able to give you the specific road. If you go central, there's still plenty there. If you go, there's a road they call Abebe Street in Apia. There's a road they call High Chief Los Yomokobian Street. In Germany, there's a road they call 1004, just the university road. Around the university community, G1, Wolebo, you go to Aslemo Jesua Street, and so many other roads over there. And if you go to north, there are several roads in Igara, in Onwa East Afuze area. You have some in Fuga and many other places.
Okay, Oga, may we come on for Edo North, make we waka come Edo South. On top of all these ongoing road projects we governor don't do for we state people, may we talk how this road will take benefit. We might tell you the name of those roads. All those roads will be Iwewe, Konwaka enter Obazagbo, Arogba, Ebo, all those roads. How many communities go benefit from these roads? Where don't they go on so?
Okay, that road now one of our major roads. Where we do, where Ministry of Infrastructure they handle. From Airport Road, go reach Sattler Road, some go at the Rubber Research Institute. That road now 27-kilometer road, 27.9 kilometer road. Now that road don't reach almost 50-something% where we don't walk. If you go that road now, until the junction where they lead to Sattler Road, we don't do asphalt road there. And that road is, they open up so many communities. The Iriri area of Bazagbon and many people we never see road before. Now dusty road where they carry go before. And one of the things where that road will help us do is they cut journey short. If you they go Sattler Road now, maybe some people where they go bypass. They want to go towards Sakomba area. Before now, you come Ring Road, enter Sakomba Road before you go that place. But now, if you live around Airport Road, you can just follow that road, come for Sattler Road. You take bypass because it's just by the bypass there.
Okay.
They fly over there. You just go. You can from there just go to Agbo, that Agbo Road. You don't need to pass through Ring Road, pass through Ramat Park, pass through. It cut off that journey. So we'll be making more use of the flyover now and the bypass. So that if you are going to Agbo from Airport Road or from Iriria or Bazagbo area, you just enter that bypass. Before you know, you do Sapler Road. You know where the thing come out from there. You go towards Agbo. So it's like trying to create another community. Rather than if you don't get what you want to do for Ring Road, you know sometimes you come to Ring Road to even Wakana Wahala. We enter Babava's road to Wakade and Wahala. With this road now, we don't cut off that area. So vehicular movement not reduce. The fuel where you for use, you will conserve fuel, and even the time of movement, you go reduce them. So these are some of the things, and of course, those places are farming. People they farm there. So to carry your farming community, and apart from that, people will be they look for land inside. They must say inside the GRO they go build. And you know the good thing about that road, there is this road we are doing this Ubuamagba. There is Ubuamagba road we are doing now. That Ubuamagba road can't connect Iriri Aroba. There is one bridge there we will go to. It will connect around what they call this community. If you are going there, you see that community will get a signboard. Yekoba. Around there, it will connect. So from there, you want to come to Godwinabe Road. You don't need to be turning around. You just connect that road through the villages. This the villages of that community, and you are there. You are there at Godwinabe. You are there at Limit Road. So you do whatever you want to do. You take that road back again. And you
go they save time, and they save fuel.
Time, it does save fuel. And all those land where they around there where people never built before. Now road where they near them, where they can pass. You see a lot of people don't begin buy land. Now land don't improve, people don't begin build. These are the things we are doing. We are just talking of only within this Airport Road, Iriri Road, Ubuamagba Road, just within that area. See, there are a lot of changes we don't bring to that place.
Other Commissioner, on top of these ongoing projects, you get some projects where we say we won't give una sadakata with state government on top of what una don't do. Second Federal Road, which First Federal Road, we don't see them by Medical Stores Road. We don't see the work where we state government and our ministry don't do. But we can't try look out for future, the drainage matter, the asphalt. How you want a day, waiting be the plans ready on top so that this asphalt no go pull come out.
Yeah, you know some of those roads, drains, you will see most of the road they do now they put drain. If we not put drain for two sides, we'll put drain for one side. Except for area where we see say the road could drain naturally if you not put drains there. So some of those roads we will do and make sure the drain is there, and we also want to appeal. You know, we live in a place where people expect government to do everything. When you see some road drains there, if the community there just organize themselves, say, make we clean this drain. If they clean the drain before rainy season, water go flow. But everybody they wait for government to do everything, and government not get that resources to do all. If you go around Benin now, you go to many streets, drains they there, but you see say it's seated up. It's just for people to say this community, make we use community effort. Let's just open up these drains and help us. If you tell them, say government should come and help us. Government should come and help us. So drain, asphalt and water they not be friends. So that is why they say those drains where we not put drain, you will see we'll put curbs to support the road so that the thing not feel wash and come out. So we are sure with the drain and the curbs we did there, those roads then will last. But I also want to appeal for some of those roads where they call C4 roads. You know, one of the things where the key road now the loads where the road they carry. Some of these roads are designed to connect communities, not be where Dangote trailer and all of them go they follow. So if they allow or restrain access of vehicles, if you get to some villages, they will put barrier because they want to safeguard the road. So they will put barrier there so that if any motorist, if a trailer is coming, they have an understanding that person will be there, they go open for them. But if they want to turn the road to a bypass, say, okay, we not feel hold up there here. This one a quick road. Make we they use them as bypass. once so many vehicles pass that road, because we no design them as a major road.
So the way the road won't say last night, they the hands of the people wey dey
the hand
stage
of the
too.
people, especially those C4 plus road, but like Araba now, any motor can pass there. Because we designed that one to carry trailer, heavy duty.
No,
we
no,
cannot stop those
road.
ones. That one are express road. Some of those roads we dey do na express road. But when those connecting roads, you see even the cost where we dey put there, the thickness of the sections, asphalt, stone dust and everything, it's not as thick as some of these other roads. So we expect the people to also make them safeguard the road. Don't let them become bypass. Not let them say, hold up, this for everybody. Begin follow them. If na small vehicle, no problem. But if na where all the trailers where they beneath the road, they follow, they will destroy the road for them. That's not the simple truth we want.
That commissioner, they talk and say if person do small thing for you, you thank them. Go one they do big one. On top of this one thank we Bunge government on top of all the roads where done they do, and the one way is still they do, and the one way don't even first do before.
Towards Christmas last year, Oga say all those roads we don't Africa, we should make we go fix them. So we did what we call rehabilitation. If you go road like Yoruba Street, Lawane, or some of those roads, if you go come Ihama Road, Boundary Road, Ajani Road, Agoba Sime, and someday this Sakomba side, all over Benin and other parts of this thing, we did some intervention. But not be say we feel capture all, because the more amount can swear we didn't capture all. And C4 come pick some, they do. So it's a batch. We do our that one, C4 carry some do. So we don't remove, and it is C4 plus a low, as I told you. If we stretch all the road, then it's about 140 or 150 roads all over the state. So 150 road don't come out. Now, we just approve.
And this 150 road now for this batch, what they do so?
And now this batch what they do so, we will go finish maybe by the time we add the rehabilitation, what we do, we should be talking of over 200 or 200 or something. So by the time we finish that one, we go carry another batch. Now, to your information, today now, Tezami Road, we don't award that. With the underground drain. Today now, we don't award dualization of a Kenwa Road up to Barrack.
Kenwa Barracks, okay.
That one, that's a major road. We don't award those two. The way our governor, they do thing, and I don't tell people, I'm very glad say I work under this kind of person. His reasoning is far above this one.
So all these roads now, roads where we say go last for a very long time.
It will last for some good time if they are maintained very well, if the people take care of those roads well. As I don't explain before, but they not turn them into bypass. Okay. I'm talking of those C4 plus road. The normal road where we do rehabilitation, those one day. Then there is an approval now that C4 should pick some other roads. Because communities, they cry, give us road, give us road, give us road. This year again, another batch. But the requests, they plenty. So what they do, if they now say, okay, the money where we have will do 100, they will now pick the very, very important roads out of those roads. And when you look at all the roads, you look at the worst case scenarios, we now pick those ones. Okay. And that is it. In some of these connecting roads, we don't need, it may not be the ministry alone. Some we will do, some C4 will do, some Ministry of NDDC, they do some.
As you talk before, you don't talk, so no be how they take wash hands. So long many hands come together, they wash and clean. Now, with media crew don't work out reach Medical Stores Road. We don't see from the beginning, then a New Lagos Road. We reach Universal, we see they don't do the roads. But now we will still come back to the drainage matter. The asphalt then. What will be the future plans for the road for this area?
Medical store, I think it get drains.
Not be the drains with the thing, now the quota we did there. The drainage, they never threw them.
So they will definitely, as those jobs, those ones don't come, the drains must follow. You know, for Benin roads plenty. So the if they do that road, we don't want to do road we go waste away. As I tell you, two things wey dey safeguard asphalt na the drain or curbs. We can only use curbs where we know say the erosion not too serious. But where we know say erosion serious is to do the drain, and we will not slope the roads into the drain. So for some of these roads we dey see, you see say some they get drain for one side, some they get drains for two sides, depending on the volume of water or the flood wey dey come there. That is what we are doing. So I believe any of those roads wey we don't do, if we no put drain there, we don't see the place say e go fit carry am. But most of the roads wey we dey do, we dey advise now put drain. If you check Lagos Street, you know we dey work for Lagos Street now. Lagos Street, we see say the volume of flood wey dey come from inside when rain dey fall, it's always very heavy. So what we do, we say the two sides will carry drain. We are doing that drain, but we're going to check that day. We found out that the outlets where this drain they come from, somebody go build on top, reduce the drain. And now we don't do two-side drain. It means more water go there.
What you now can do to the person, because this one a violation of government law.
We don't write to the agency with the concern, which is Ministry of Fiscal Planning. Make them go do something about that place. So that two things. If we don't do anything about it, when the flood comes fully, even that house they endangered. And also the people around there will begin to have problems. So normally government has a way they do things. We will write to the person, tell him, remedy this thing. If you don't agree, of course, nobody will stand against government. We will take care of it. So we look at cases, we see how they be. Like if you check Tezami Road, the major problem that was there was the flooding. If rain fall there, even if you dey inside motor, you go leave your motor, make you find where to run to. We want to provide the drains now. I will go do underground drain to carry the flow from there to Ipoba River. It will go to what they call it, Rosa Grammar School. You know, we do one walk around there, go connect and from there carry and go to Ipoba River. So these are the things we do. So before, we must study the place. And you also know, even if you want to do road, you must look at what you get, the money where you get, and look at what you can put there that will be able to take care of whatever you want to do.
Okay, we go just like me government should carry for inside this drainage matter way. Sake of say rain season I we dey so.
To open up the drains especially, although the sitting of drain is under Ministry of Environment, but waiting me also the talk we say make we help ourselves. If we dey streets, if they not do that road, people will stay back. If they do that road for you, they do drains for you. If drains fill up, the community on their own can say, make we remove the nyama with this drain so that it can be flowing. Government may not be able to do all. The people too should be able to help themselves. That is what we are saying.
Okay, I can make waka enter Ewa Road.
Okay.
Waka from Ewa Road, we enter Gobadia, Isonoron Road, Constant Road, waka reach Edokbolo. This road what they call there plenty of New Covenant Aziz. We they come go reach Third Cemetery, Second Federal, First Federal Road. This road they waka come from eastern of Edo State, go waka reach the western part of Edo State. And this road carry two local governments, start on Oredo and Ego. And carry Ward 7 for Oredo. It can carry Ward 7, Ward 9 and Ward 10 for Ego. So which plans government gets to take do this plenty Koro road, make go slow for not the 2 day Uselu Lagos road, make pressure on Uselu Lagos road, come down well.
Well, as I talked before, better soup, okay, na money killer. And if you want to chop within you like, you know, say your pocket dey deep way to provide everything where you get. Where you not get what to do everything at once, what do you do? In economics in those days, they call it a scale of preference. You now start picking the worst case. I know like Ewa Road. Costain had that problem. And we have worked on Costain Road. That is where Dollar Primary School, wherever. We have worked on that. In fact, there was one bad spot right there that was so bad. We have taken care of that now. That at Dollar Primary School, since they don't abandon, and one of the things we want to do there, which we, once Oga approve, is to turn it to a park, a car park. You see, if you go to New Benin, you want to buy something from New Benin, you go to look for where to park in order to come. So we want to make a car park there. And some investors are coming to turn it to a car park. From there, we now channel that road properly. So for First Federal, we've known of that. There are some we are even doing a rehabilitation and a renovation, rehabilitation on all those roads. Some we have not done now. I know Ewa Road and that one connecting from Ewa Road coming into a Mission Road, Upper Mission area. What that? Bada Abattoir. I don't know what is that costing. Bada Abattoir. Okay. So that road, I think we have scoped it. We have already done some work on that road, but we are looking for the next opportunity to do an award in some of these roads. We cannot do all at once because construction is expensive. So we'll be taking it one after the other. I think some of them are waiting. We'll go do next round of rehabilitation. We'll go pick some of them, rehabilitate them. It may not be fresh construction because some of these roads never really too bad. It just has some spots where don't they bad. We never fix. They were not fixed on time. It don't they destroy other parts. So you find out that some of them, if you just go rehabilitate them, put them in order, the place don't they go. Every part of Benin City wants to be touched. So we have to look at everybody in the context. We don't just look at one side alone. As this side is asking for, if you go towards Sakpomba, if you go Saple Road, if you go towards Ekenwa, everyone is asking for roads. Every community, in fact, Ewotubu people, they have called on us. They came the other day. They are even asking for permission. They want to do one drain by themselves. So the request is enormous. So sometimes when we see some roads that are even having asphalt, it's only a flood problem they are talking about. We say, okay, let us go and face the one that is in their need more than this. When we finish that before we come here. So we have requests. And remember, not only in Edo South alone, if you go to Central, if you go to North, there are roads they are asking for. There are roads Governor has promised, which we have to look at. So the demands, it's like when you have 1,000 demands and you only have capacity to do 100. Definitely you have to put a lot of things in there to do what you are going to do part time. So what I keep telling people is, if it has not reached you, it will reach you tomorrow. We cannot do all at once. But as we work, as I said just now, by the time we deliver this 150, maybe we pick another 100. Some of this will enter. That is what it is. Because we are serving the whole of the state. So the resources cannot be put in one place, it must be spread around.
On top of saying you want to spread the resources like roads, go reach different. Let me enter Edo Central. Okay. Make it no come be saying only people with the Edo South. Now these roads, they benefit. How roads don't work reach for Edo Central? Show a better light on
we are doing a lot. We are doing a lot of roads in Edo Central. The first one is the one we know very well, the Ekpoma Road, Ekpoma Ihumudumu Road. Then we did the Ukmanu Road the other day. Now we'll soon start Ujonle Road. If you know that as this, you know Ujonle Road is very important. It's an easy way to get to town. Ujonle Road has been awarded. We saw the erosion problem. We now ask the contractor to just hold on a little, make we reorganize how the flood will go. That one is going on. We have rehabilitated Uwelebo Road now. We have done what we call Barak Road. And we have, when this administration came, we picked some roads, about 20 roads or 15 roads, where they rehabilitate all over Edo Central. And during this C4+, there are roads in the Gweben, there are roads in Uromi, there are roads in Ubiaja, there are roads in Irua we are working on, even in the East and West. So there are a lot of roads. In fact, in this C4 plus, we have about 19 roads we are doing in the East and Central. In the South, we have 52. In the North, we have 24. We are talking of lots. And sometimes one lot may have about 2 or 3 roads in it. They combine some roads to form a lot. So in South, we have 52 lots. Central, 19 lots. North, 24 lots. That tells you the number of roads that are going on right now. So a lot are going on, although as Oliver Twist, everybody is still asking for more.
As you talk, say for Edo North, many roads they go on. I beg, give us part of all these roads. What the government don't do for there, and what the people for this Edo North will benefit from this road?
Edo North, that is where we have the Agbede wine that is going up to the way to Aginebode side. We have, if you go to One East, that's where we are doing Okbela, Afiokbela, Agbe, Road. We just finished Secretariat Road in Igara right now. We just finished that road. And the road between Igara and Ibilo, it's a federal road, but it's so bad. We believe it is Edo people that are using that road. We cannot wait for federal government. We are rehabilitating that road. Then the road where our speaker, the village, the place our speaker came from, Ikakumo. We are doing a 10.2 kilometer road from the Ibilo for Azis, going to the road going to Ondo State. From there to the village is about 12.2 kilometers road. The road is ongoing right now. Then there are several C4 roads going on. If you go to Edo, go towards on one side, Governor just flagged off the other day Ihiewe Ogben Road. We are doing a redesign right now, so that once they go back now, we don't have any reason to start moving forth and back. There are rehabilitation work we're doing there. There are C4 roads going on right now there. If you go to Onwa West, so many things are going on in every local government. There is no single local government left. In fact, in the C4 plus we are doing now, the least a local government got was 2. So every local government is involved. So this governor is a rare breed of human being. He doesn't care where you are from. He's the governor of Edo State, and he believes Edo people should enjoy what belongs to Edo. And that is what we are helping him to do. And no wonder, because of these things they are saying, you saw the 24/24. Because people believe, because people believe that this man is working. In my local government, they have told me when it is second term for God, he should not even come and campaign. They are seeing his hand in what is going on in that place. So, and we will still do more. Apart from, okay, we are talking about, the other areas where he is doing something. If we had more cash in this state, I believe this governor will turn this state into something else. But within what we have, everybody is still seeing what he is doing.
Okay, thank you very much for considering with us, and we thank you for the many information you don't give us on top road matter.
Thank you.
We go like me, you go back to our ministry. These roads where me and my colleagues where we talk about.
You go right and bring them for me.
Now the road people for us where they be asked for. We go like me, go check them, work on them. Thank you very much.
No problem.
My country people,
thank you very much.
Now the Obonga informate una don hear so from the Commissioner for Infrastructure for we state, Engineer AMIOLEMEN Ibrahim, where you don't talk on top the many things where they don't do for road matter for we state and the other plans where them get to do for the people with the Edo State. As we talk this matter written, so you reach on top the government matter today. My name is Nani Matiagumo, and I dey tell you bye bye on top this program with my Obonga colleague.
Mary Edelei, we go see you again.